Some days it feels like nothing's growing, like every step is standing still. You've been planning, you've been hoping, you've been climbing one more hill. You keep showing up each morning, even when the road feels steep. Trusting God with every promise, sowing dreams you cannot keep. But roots grow deep beneath the surface, long before the flowers bloom. Keep planting seeds you cannot see, keep believing faithfully. Every act of faith, every dream you speak is growing underneath. Though the harvest isn't here and the future isn't clear, God is working quietly. Don't give up now, the seeds are growing, even when you cannot see. Every lesson that you've learned, every challenge that you faced, every time you chose to keep going was never wasted. The world may only see the surface, but heaven sees every step, every seed of hope and courage. Every time you didn't quit, roots grow deep beneath the surface, long before the flowers bloom. Keep planting seeds you cannot see, keep believing faithfully. Every act of faith, every dream you speak is growing underneath. Though the harvest isn't here and the future isn't clear, God is working quietly. Don't give up now, the seeds are growing, even when you cannot see. One day you'll look behind you and you'll finally understand the prayers, the tears, the waiting. We're all part of a bigger plan. The harvest was coming the whole time. Keep planting seeds you cannot see, keep believing faithfully. The life you've been praying for may be closer than it seems. So keep showing up, keep trusting Him, keep walking forward faithfully. Because beneath the soil, beyond what you can see, the seeds are growing, the seeds are growing. Ooh, the seeds are growing. The seeds are growing.